the things which I told you to bring today? Yes, here. What are these? What are these, Pute? What are these? What are these? These are marbles. What are these? Marbles. And what are these? What are these? Nails. Not nuts. These are nails. Okay. Then we have some buttons here with us. Okay. Here, can you see? We have some. Yeah. We have some buttons. And we have a glue bottle. What is this? And some tamarind seeds. Have you all eaten tamarind? Do you all eat tamarind? You all eat? Yes. Then these are the seeds. Okay. And there are 2 batteries. Have you all seen this at home? Have you all seen this? Yes or no? Can't you speak? Yes. Have you all seen? Yes. Okay. In the clock. Ah, very good. Now tell me, do you know what are we going to do now? What is this? What is this? This is a scale. What is this? Scale. Now we are going to measure. Okay? We are going to measure these things by 2 batteries. Okay? This is the measuring unit. Okay? That means we are going to put some marbles in that. I'll take some nails. Okay? Take some nails. See how many nails are there. Okay? Count with me. First we will put the battery. Okay? Then 1 battery. What happened when I put the battery to the scale? What happened to the scale? What happened? Yeah, it went down. Do you know why that went down? Why? Because this side is heavy and there is nothing here. So now we are going to take this side also down. To take that down, we should put something here. Okay? Did you understand, Mishma? Yes. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, Pute, wait. Now when I put 1 by 1 nails, what happened to the scale? This side also, it little by little, it goes down, right? Did you see that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now is the scale similar? The both side is this similar? No. Then we have put 10 nails already. Then we will put some more nails. Okay? Okay. Count me. Shenura, count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Now is it same? Is it same? Is it same? No, then we'll put another one. Okay? Then how much altogether, how many nails are here? 16 nails are here. Did you see, Mishma? Yes. Then 16 nails equal how many batteries? No, here how many batteries are here? 1. Only 1 is there. Did you understand? 16 nails equal to 1 battery. Okay. Now can you all come and do like that? Can you all come? Okay, Shenura, come. Be careful when you get down. Okay, keep this battery in your hand. Keep these 2, okay? First we will put one. First we will take this out and we will see. Now, wait. Now shall we count the marbles? Okay. Now first put the battery. Yes, only 1 now. Put only 1 battery. Put only 1. Okay. Now what happened? When we put the battery, this scale, this side went down. Did you see that? Okay. Now give me that. Now count. Take this to your hand. Count 1 by 1 and put 1 by 1 to the other side. Put. Come. 2, 3. Yes, come this side. Yes, 5, 6, 7. What happened now? This side, which side is below? Which side has gone down? The marble side or the battery side? Marble side. So what should we do now? To take the both sides to the same point, we should put another battery. Just put and see. Now what happened? Now see whether it's similar. Yes or no? No, still no. Then we will put some marbles to this side. Come this side. Turn this side and wait. Okay. We'll put some marbles. Put some marbles. We have put how many marbles we have put? 10. Now count. 11. Wait, 11. You put the 11th one. 12. Wait, 12. Now see Pute whether is this same? Is this similar? No, still not. Why? Both are aligned together now. Why? Can't you see that? Why? Both sides are in the same level. Isn't it? No? Yes or no? Yes. Did you understand that? Then how many marbles are here? 11 or 12? 12 marbles. Then how many batteries we put here? 2 batteries. Okay. Then 11 marbles equal how many batteries? 2 batteries. Did you understand? Okay. Now Mishma come. Mishma come. Whether you go and sit down. Mishma, shall we take the buttons? Okay. Okay. We'll take the buttons. Now here, take this to your hand. Hold your hand, both hands. Come this side, put it. Turn this. Hold both your hands. Okay. Now, first, take this one battery. Take one battery and put it to the scale. Yeah. Okay. Now, what happened, Pute? When you put the battery, what happened to the scale? It went down. Now is this aligned together? Does the scale in similar places? One side has gone down and the other side has gone up. So what should you do now? You should put some buttons to this side. Okay, count and put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. What happened? Can you see any changes? No. We can see changes. This side has gone down and the button side is in up. So we will put some more buttons to this side. Okay. We have put, how many we have put here? 10. Now count again. 10, 11. From 11 count again. 11, 12, 14, 15. Wait, 15. Okay, you should put some more. 16, 7. Wait. Okay. Put another one. 18, 19, 20. Now you can see the balance has come to the same level. Can you see? Yes. Now then 20 buttons. How many battery you needed? One battery. Then one battery equals how many buttons? How many buttons? How many you put here? 20. Very good. Did you understand the lesson? Sure? Yes. Okay. Come Puti, come and sit down. So now you all have brought a balance with you all now. So you should go home today and you should practice the same thing. Can you all do that? Can you all do? Can? Oh, can't. Why won't you all speak with me?
Okay.
Can you all do? Okay. Yes. Okay. Do. I will write in your book. Okay. Now, shall we measure these tamarind seeds also? Now, Pute, we measured the battery now. No. Now we will measure this gum bottle, glue bottle with the battery. Okay? Shall we? Okay, then come. Who is coming now? Who will come? Come. Good girl. Can you help me to take this out? Good girl. I'll take that. Okay, now Vishma, look at here, okay? Okay, Puti, now come this side. Shenu, turn this side and wait, okay? Come. Turn like this, okay? Now Shenu here. Now we have one gum bottle. Earlier we put one battery and some marbles. No? Now we are going to measure this gum bottle. First we will put the gum bottle here. Okay? Now when we put the gum bottle, what happened to this side? What happened to this? Fell down. But what happened to this side? It goes up. Now to take this side also down, we should put the, what is this? Battery. Okay, put. What happened? Then, did it come to the same point? Is it similar? No. So, to take, now this has gone up. No, Buddha. So, we will take some marbles. Okay? Take some marbles. Now, see. Put this marble. How many marbles are here? 2. Put this marble to this side. To the glue bottle side. One by one, Buddha. 1, 2. Now, what happened? Are they in the same place? Yes. Then, one glue bottle, 2 marbles are equal to how many batteries? Are equal to 1 battery. Again, tell with me. 1 glue bottle. Tell. And 2 marbles. 2 marbles are equal to how many batteries? 1 battery. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure? Yes. Okay, Mishma, you come with it. Now here, we will measure these tamarind seeds with the glue bottle. Okay? Now we use the battery now. Now put it. Here see. First put the glue bottle. Put. Now what happened? This went down. Huh? Okay, now this side goes up. Why does it goes up? Because this is not heavy. This is not heavy. So this side goes up and up. To take this down, what should we do? We should put the tamarind seeds. Okay? Okay, now take. You count by one and you can put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Count this side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, we'll see. Have the balance come to the same level? Are they in the same level? Yes, no. Here, can't you see both of them have come to the same level? Both are in the same side. Now, if we take the gum bottle, what happened? What happened? When we take the gum bottle, the tamarind seed side goes down and this side goes up. So, to take it to the same level, we are putting a glue bottle to this side. Then when we put the glue bottle, both the side come to the same place. Did you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Now tell me, 10 tamarind seeds equals to how many glue bottles? 1 glue bottle. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Give me Pita. Okay, then you all can go. Sit down today. Now we did it today. Okay. Then tomorrow we will write in our book. Okay. Now you should go home and do the same thing again with your sister and or with your parents. Okay. Can you all do? Can you all do?
Okay.
Or can't?
Okay.
Okay, you can do. Did you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Sure. Shenura, did you understand the lesson? Yes or no? Don't do like this. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then stand up. Stand up. Be careful. Okay, we'll. God bless you, children. God bless you, teacher. Okay.